Morning, please take a seat. Welcome to สินสว่าง
Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Purnichep Avilai.
Tell me about yourself.
I am a student at Songkhla Ratchapat University. I am 22 years old and I come from Songkhla. My major is electrical technology.
When do you graduate?
I graduate in September 2025. I want to start work as soon as possible.
Do you have any experience?
Yes, I do. I was a tiny assistant at Sinsawang. I am sure I would be an excellent candidate for any position you have.
Can you explain yourself in 3 words?
I am Thai, patient, and fine.
Why do you want to work here?
I am a great fan of Sinsawang and all of your product.
What would you like to work?
I would like to work flexible hours.
Your CV is very good. We can give you a job.
Great, I really want to work here.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.